I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is on the latest iOS and Bluetooth is enabled. This ensures compatibility and stability. Put both headphones into pairing mode. Each brand differs, so follow their short press or long press routine. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and watch for device names to appear. Keep the screen unlocked so you can accept prompts. Once one headphone pairs, do not close Settings. You'll need it open for the next steps to manage simultaneous audio routing and volume. Now you move into connecting both devices. If you have AirPods or compatible Beats, bring them near and use the audio sharing pop-up from Control Center. Tap Share Audio and follow prompts. For other Bluetooth models, pair the first one, then attempt to connect the second from Bluetooth settings. Some third-party headphones will appear as secondary outputs. If using a wired plus Bluetooth combo, plug the adapter into Lightning and select the output in Control Center. Make sure volume limits and focus modes aren't blocking audio. Finish by opening Control Center, expand the audio card, and confirm both headphones appear. Adjust volumes separately if supported. If one headphone mutes or audio drops, turn Bluetooth off and on, forget and repair the problematic device, then retry audio sharing. Make sure both headphone firmware and iPhone software are up to date. Outdated firmware often causes conflicts. If issues persist, reset network settings as a last resort, then repair. This clears Bluetooth caches and usually resolves stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.